Hey guys, it's kind of hot today. It's like 90 degrees out here, and all the greens of my Vegepod were wilting even though I'd watered them a couple of times. And I just realized it has the wheels on it, so I just pushed it over here under this tree so it's in the shade, and it looks like everything's kind of perking back up again. So the last video I did, I took the cover off. It has a cover that makes it almost like a greenhouse, and I took that off. That was about 2 weeks ago, but I just realized, I'm kind of figuring this out as I go along, but I just realized that you can do that. You can move it into the shade if things are getting too hot. So that's pretty cool. I just planted this about 6 weeks ago or so now, and I did a video. I showed you guys kind of how it looked when I first got it and kind of planted everything in there. This is how big everything's gotten in that amount of time. That Miracle Grow soil I put in there is really making stuff grow. But like I said, all my greens were wilting because it was so hot. It was like 90 degrees and they were all wilting. Happened yesterday too, and I kept watering them, and then today just kind of dawned on me like, hey, why not push it in the shade? That might be better, because some of these greens didn't look as good today as they did before they wilted yesterday. So I think that might be a big advantage of having the wheels on this thing. They're pretty good sized wheels, so it actually rolls pretty easy, and my driveway is blacktop here, so that works out pretty good. I'm just kind of figuring this Vegepod out as I go along, but so far I like it a lot. Having those wheels on it, it's pretty easy to move around, so I think that's going to be a nice feature on that. Anyway, that's just a quick update on it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing good.